Hi, Wells. Good morning. I've been getting a lot of requests for Tesla. Let's really break it down today, right? I have a lot of followers that are in Tesla, like at 320, 360. They're asking, should I hold? Should I buy more? What should I do? Right? So let's really break it down and go over all of that. And yeah, let's dive into Tesla. So just a disclaimer though, right? If you're a long-term investor, right, these short-term movements shouldn't really affect you guys at all, right? In my opinion, anything under $300 a share for Tesla, you should start accumulating slowly, and you're going to be set up for success because I do have a $520 target, right, in the medium term. And then I also have a $2,000 target into the future for Tesla, right? So guys, we're still in sort of accumulating stages. So just keep on accumulating. Don't worry about these short-term prices, right? And there's a lot of money to be made elsewhere as well on uptrending stocks, right? So just be mindful, okay? Now, coming from a trader's mindset, what I'm looking at in terms of where I'm going to be buying, right, for a trader, um, I'm first trying to see, right, if Tesla has bottomed yet, right? And I don't see any signs of that as of now, right? There's no confirmation, right? If you take a look at the overall trend, we're still making lower highs, right? Lower highs. And if we do bounce up, and we do get a lower high, right, the most probable path is we do get one more flush down on Tesla, closer to 250, all the way down to 180, right? This is sort of what I'm looking at in terms of if we cannot break out. Okay, if you take a look as well, this trend line that's been cutting across is going to act as extreme amount of resistance as well, right? So this is sort of the main issue or the main problem with Tesla is that we're currently looking at a triple correction, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All this is a triple correction. W, X, Y, X, Z wave in red, right? Finishing off all of a wave 4. So this is a very complex correction that you'll see across stocks like AMD, like Nike, like PepsiCo, like UPS, right? In 2024, 2025. So Tesla's acting the same. So in my opinion, if you're a trader, right, how I'm going to be playing this, I'm not going to be buying Tesla until we start making higher highs and higher lows, right? I do not like to catch the knife on downtrends, all right? I do not like to catch the knife on downtrends because if you take a look, guys, right, typically what new traders and new investors do is that on downtrends like this, people keep trying to buy the dip, but price keeps going lower and lower and lower, okay? And now you're caught in sort of a really bad position and you're waiting and waiting, waiting. Instead, you should buy this, right? Uptrends like this, right? Buy the dips on uptrends. Okay, there's a huge difference, right? You can see that this was an uptrend on Tesla, right? So you're buying dips on uptrends on Tesla like this when it's uptrending, making higher highs and higher lows, not when you are in a downtrend, making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, this isn't the right way to do it, guys, in my opinion, right? So what am I looking for? For me, let's say this is the bottom, guys, right? Whatever the case is. Let's say we don't have one more down. Let's say this is the bottom. So if this is the bottom, okay, what I'm going to be looking for Tesla to do is start testing this trend line, right? When it comes down and dips, because it probably can't break this on the first try, it's going to get sold off, right? I need this to hold a higher low like this, right? It doesn't go below that low, holds a higher low, starts breaking out like this, consolidates on the support line now, and then now we're flushed out. Now we can go higher high. Okay, this is exactly what I want to see. So for me, I'm buying the dips here rather than waiting and waiting and waiting, right, for downtrend to stop. Okay, so I'm looking for that uptrend. If you can take a look, right, this is the main pivot. 325, 326, all across this zone. This is the main level. If Tesla can flip this resistance into a support, right? If we can break through and consolidate nicely on this level, now we're looking at higher highs and higher lows, and we have an inverse head and shoulders, a bottoming pattern. That's exactly what I want to see, guys. Until then, there's no point for me in trying to catch a knife on Tesla. There's no point for me of buying here because there's so many other stocks right now that are uptrending rather than trying to catch a bottom here, guys, right? There's so many amazing stocks that are uptrending. So I'll be looking to trade those and I'll come back to Tesla when we start uptrending again, guys. Okay, that's the key. All right. You need to be able to identify uptrending sectors, right? Early and often, right? That's the key between novice traders and good investors, right? So come through. I'll see you guys there.